Today we will be learning about Newton's laws of motion. Okay, have you ever thought what could be the reason for the following? A static object does not move without the application of force. If you see the ball will not move until and unless you apply any force. You pick up from it from your hand, or you just pick up from that, just hit it from your legs. Yes, and if it is a chair or a table, it will not move until and unless you apply a force. As soon as you apply a force, this will move. Fruits on a tree fall down when its branches are shaken. An electric fan keeps on rotating for some time even after it is switched off. Yes, what could be the reason? So the reason is balanced and unbalanced force. So what is balanced force? For every object in the state of motion or the rest, if the object is in the rest, so there is applied force. Working force is applied on the object which is on rest also. Okay, so but the force is balanced force. If you see from each side, if there is a ball is not moving, it is at rest. That means from each side equal force is exerting. Yes, from every side equal force is exerting. That means the force is balanced. That is why the object is in rest. As soon as the force will be unbalanced, the object will come in the motion. So same thing happens when you play a tug of war. So long as the forces applied by both the sides are equal, that is balanced, the center of the rope is state in spite of the applied force, or static or stopped. On the other hand, when the applied force become unequal, that is unbalanced, and net force gets applied in the direction of the greater force, and the center of the rope shifts that direction, right? So based upon this balanced force and unbalanced force, Newton gave a law that is called first law of motion. Yes, what is the first law of motion? An object continues to remain at rest or in state of uniform motion along a straight line unless and until external unbalanced force acts on it. Yes, any body or any object will be in the state of rest until and unless an external force is applied, right? So for example, take a soccer ball. So an object at rest will remain at rest until and unless the application of force will be done by your feet. So unless acted upon by unbalanced force, and an object in motion will continue with the constant speed until and unless any force is applied. So the ball will continue in the motion until and unless another force, that is the net, will come in its place. So another external force is applied. So the first law of motion states that any object will be in the state of rest or in the state of uniform motion, moving with constant speed or constant velocity, until and unless any external force is applied.